Hello YouTubers, you're watching Just Do It Yourself channel, and today we have 2020 Chevy Traverse, and I'm trying to remove this plastic panel on the interior. I'm doing some PDR on this quarter panel, so needed to be removed. Was not able to find any videos online, so started working on this and decided that maybe I would capture a video. So one important thing, there are screws behind every airbag cover, so you pop it off. It's one on the back and the same like this white plastic on the front, so you get those screws out, and then everything pretty much is just clipped. The speaker is on wires, the power charging also wire over there, so this coming off nicely. So what I want to do, I guess another thing that you will need to remove are those tie down things, whatever, hooks. So we got those removed, and next I will remove all those pieces, remove this trunk, floor. We'll see what we need to do around the seats to get this fully removed. Right, so next we will pull this up and remove those 4 screws to get this compartment out. So it's like 4 wing nuts on each side, 2 on each side. That's also how we get to the spare tire. Okay, so now this seems to be all loose. Now we can go ahead and pull this up. This piece comes out, kind of serves as a lock. Get that out. So now this is all loose. So next what we will do, we will grab Torx socket and we'll remove one bolt at the top and one just behind, exactly where that mechanism, the tracking mechanism for the belt is. So we'll get that off. Okay, slight update to the plan. So I will need to remove my belt, but if you just need to remove the side panel, that's, I think, all we need to do is just lift it up and pry it out, so the belt is not feeded through it. So that's pretty much it. To get that panel off, I will need to remove this mechanism to get access to the holes, since, as I mentioned, we are doing PDR, so we need access to the panel. So I will go ahead and use a Torx socket to get that off. So I'm using T50 to get the mechanism off. So that just should come out like that. The main reason is that I need access through this hole to this side panel. But that's pretty much it. So there will be another spot, mounting spot at the top and just behind the seat. So if you need to get that off, definitely we'll have to remove two more T50. Other than that, I'll just quickly go and show you what access you get, where the holes are. Also from this side. So this is where the front bracket is connected, where I said it's covered with the airbag lead. So this is what you get if you remove your side interior panel on 2020 Chevy Traverse. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe, and as always, just do it yourself.